Let us continue. We are doing short problems on schedules. Okay, page number 823, short answer questions. On the basis of the following, prepare information. Prepare schedule number 13 and schedule number 14. Interest earned and other income. Okay, so interest and discount is given, that is 8530, and interest on balance with RBI 30, interest on investment 2360, profit on exchange transaction 730, loss on sale of investment is 50, and we are having profit on sale of investment 270, commission exchange brokerage we are having 1520, profit on sale of land and building and other assets 840. So he's asking you to prepare schedule 13 and schedule 14. So we'll prepare schedule number 13 and schedule number 14 here. First we'll prepare schedule number 13. So we have to prepare schedule number 13 and schedule number 14. So schedule number 13 is what? Interest earned. Schedule number 14 is other. So we'll do interest and discount first. Interest earned, interest on discount and discount we are having 8530. Next we are having interest on balance with RBI 30, interest on balance with RBI we are having 30. Next we are having income from investment, that also come here in schedule number 13. Income from investments is 2360. Okay, next we are having profit on sale of exchange transaction 730. So we'll write that under other incomes, profit on sale of exchange transaction, and I'm writing exchange. Okay, amount is 730. Next we are having loss on sale of investment. Loss on sale of investment, what we do, we deduct from profit on sale of investment. So profit on sale of investment, how much is profit? 270. Then loss of sale of investment on sale of INV, that is investment 50 we deduct. So outer column we will write 220. So there is a profit of 270 and loss of 50. We have to deduct 50 from 270. 220 got. Next we are having exchange, commission, brokerage. Commission, exchange and brokerage. How much is that? That is 1520. Okay. After that we are having profit and sale of land and building. Profit on sale of land and building. Sale of land and building, how much is that? 840. So we do the totals. So we'll do first profit interest on schedule 13, 8530 plus 30 plus 2360, getting 10,920 as a total of interest earned, and 730 plus 220 plus 1520 plus 840, we are getting 3310 as other income total. Okay, so we have done interest earned schedule number 13, and we have done schedule number 14 other income. So the schedules we have just now seen, right? In the same way we have to do this all calculations. Okay, so this is first problem. Second also will do. What is in second? What he is saying, from the following particulars prepare schedule number 15 and schedule number that is interest expended, and schedule number 16 operating expenses. So he is asking to prepare schedule number 15 and 16 will prepare. Okay, what is saying? Payment and provision to employees, printing and stationery, depreciation on bank property, director fees and allowances, repairs and maintenance. This all will go to the operating expenses. One more we are having rent, taxes and lighting. This also will go to operating expenses. Interest on deposits, this will go to interest expended. Interest on balance and interest on RBI and bank borrowings, this is interest expended. Audit fees and insurance will all go to that operating expenses. Okay, so next schedule we have to prepare 15 and 16. We'll prepare, then next we'll solve schedule number 15 and 16. Let us continue second question. So I have prepared second question, interest earned expended, that is schedule number 15, operating expense schedule number 16. So schedule number 15, first we have to prepare payment and provision to and provision for employees. So payment to employees I am writing, payments to employees. How much is that? 3640. Next we are having printing and stationery 120. Printing and stationery 120. After that we are having depreciation on bank property 310. Depreciation on bank property 310. After that we are having director fees and allowance, that will also come here. Oh sorry, I have done a mistake. This is not operating expenses, this is operating expenses, and this has to go that side. Let's strike off. This is 16 operating, my mistake. And schedule 15 interest expended. Okay, so small correction. Depreciation on bank property 310. Next after that we are having director allowance, fees and allowance. So director fees and allowance, how much is that? 50. I'm writing 50 here. Next after that we are having repairs and maintenance. Repairs and maintenance, that's 60 we are writing here. Okay, after that we are having rent, taxes and lighting 1020 amount. Rent, taxes and lighting amount is 1020. Okay, after that we are having interest on RBI borrowings. Interest on RBI, how much is that? 1520. And before that one more item, we are having interest on deposits. Interest on deposits we are having 4650. Okay, 4650. After that we are having auditor fees and expenses. I'm writing audit fees, that's it, that's enough. 120. And insurance we are having 30. Okay, so again we'll do total of these two. Operating expenses total will do. So operating expenses total is 3640. First 3640 plus 120 plus 310 plus 50 plus 60, 1020, 120 plus 30. So we are getting 125. Wait 3640, 120, 310, 50, 60, 1020, 120 and 30. 5350. The total of operating expenses is 5350. 5350. And the total of interest expended is 1520 plus 4650, 6170. 6170 is total of interest expended, operating and total of operating expenses is 5350. So it's easy, like this you have to solve. So I want you to solve schedule number 15 interest expended and schedule number 16 operating expenses. Question number 3. Payment made to employees, operating expenses, printing and stationery, operating, audit fees, operating, director fees and allowance, operating, interest on deposits, this you have to write under interest expended, interest on borrowings and inter borrowings you have to write under interest expended, depreciation on bank assets you have to write operating expenses. Okay, like this prepare two schedules, schedule number 15 and schedule number 16, then solve like this you have to solve. Okay, so it's very easy to solve questions. Solve, after that we'll go for long problems.